Okay, hey guys, I'm just doing a recap really quick of our lesson today to send to you guys. So we talked about the great apostasy and the restoration and how we can help teach that for missionary opportunities and people who haven't heard about it. We talked about for the restoration, how Jesus Christ established His church on the earth. And then He was crucified, and then after He was crucified, His apostles were killed, or all died, and we lost the priesthood. But Joseph Smith, he prayed. I'm sure you know the story, the first vision, and through that the Book of Mormon was restored, and we were able to have the fullness of our gospel. We also talked about how when you teach it, you want to emphasize that all of this came about because of the love Christ has for us, and how through love is the reason Christ gives us all these opportunities to learn and grow and to repent so that we can ultimately be with Him one day. We did miss you guys. Hope to see you next time.